What's up guys, welcome to Zahid Ali YouTube channel. My name is Zahid Ali and today in this video I am simply going to tell you how you can create profile backlink on medium.com. Okay, medium.com is a high level website and here you can get profile backlink. Okay, if you get profile backlink from medium.com, if you get profile backlinks from medium.com or even from any other high quality or high authority websites, like websites having 90 plus domain authority or DA or PA, okay, that will be really beneficial for your website. Okay, and so simply in this video I am going to tell you that how you can do this. Okay, from on medium.com. Okay, first of all I would like to tell you that what is a backlink. Okay, backlink is a link, okay, link of your website to another website. Okay, link of your website on another website which has high authority domain authority or high domain authority or high page authority. Okay, or which has more traffic than your website. Okay, so here I will type in medium.com. okay, so here this is the main interface of medium.com. okay, medium.com. okay, so for your surety I will type in here what is domain authority of medium.com. okay, what is domain authority of medium.com. okay, okay, medium has a domain score of 98 and 219 million of backlinks. Okay, so from here you can guess it is a very high authority website. If you will get backlink from this website, that will definitely help your website to rank higher in the Google. Okay, so from here just click on get started. Okay, after you can sign in here with three steps, like suppose I select Google. Okay, so now I am signed in as google.com. now how to get backlink? Okay, just click on here, then click on settings. After clicking on setting, this here in the bio section I have to paste the link of my website. Suppose my website name is here, just click on edit, and suppose my website's name is guru.com. okay, so I have to type it, click on save. Okay, now my backlink has been created, and the other method is just click in here medium. After clicking here we have to create a post. Okay, so let me find from here. Just simply from here just go to your profile, click in here. Okay, go to your profile and here create your first story. Type in here title of your website like Guru, and here I will paste the website link. Okay, suppose it is guru.com. Publish now. Here, all done. You have gotten 2 backlinks from medium.com. Medium.com, a website having 98 domain authority. So here it is for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Bye bye.